Introduction. Hello and welcome to this video on how to choose products for affiliate marketing. As an affiliate marketer, one of the most important decisions you'll make is selecting the right products to promote. In this video, we'll show you how to choose products that align with your niche and audience, and how to evaluate the potential for earning commissions. Types of products. The first step in choosing products for affiliate marketing is understanding the types of products available. There are physical products, digital products, and services. Physical products are tangible items that customers can touch and feel, like clothing, gadgets, and appliances. Digital products include ebooks, online courses, software, and apps. Services are non-tangible offerings, like website hosting, email marketing, or consulting. Aligning with your niche and audience. Once you understand the types of products available, it's time to align them with your niche and audience. Your niche is the specific topic or industry you focus on, and your audience is the group of people you're targeting. For example, if your niche is fitness, you may want to promote fitness-related products like workout gear, supplements, or online fitness programs. If your audience is new mothers, you may want to promote baby products, parenting books, or online baby classes. Evaluating the potential for earning commissions. Finally, it's important to evaluate the potential for earning commissions before choosing a product to promote. Look for products with high commission rates, low refund rates, and a strong conversion rate. Commission rates refer to the percentage of the sale price that you'll earn as a commission. Refund rates refer to the percentage of customers who return the product for a refund. A high refund rate can indicate that the product isn't meeting customer expectations. Conversion rates refer to the percentage of people who purchase the product after clicking on your affiliate link. A strong conversion rate can indicate that the product is in high demand and appeals to your audience. Conclusion. In conclusion, choosing the right products for affiliate marketing is crucial to your success as an affiliate marketer. Remember to consider the types of products available, align them with your niche and audience, and evaluate the potential for earning commissions. By following these steps, you'll be able to select products that are not only profitable but also valuable to your audience. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos on affiliate marketing.